Hello and welcome to another video walk around. My name is Christian and today we're going to be looking at 2015 Toyota RAV4 LE. This is a 5-passenger 4-door SUV in blue. Under the hood you'll find a 2.5 liter 4-cylinder riding on top of 17-inch wheels. Some of your great exterior features include your daytime running lights, turn signals on the side mirrors, and roof rails. But why don't we hop inside this RAV and see what else it has to offer. Key fob right here, it's got our lock and unlock buttons. Those are panic button. Press the unlock button once for the driver's side. We're going to take a look in the front first. In the door, you have some storage space along the bottom side. Power windows, locks. Next to the door, you do have your power mirrors. Equipped with black cloth seating, and on the bottom you have your manual seat adjustment levers. Why don't we hop inside this RAV now and start it up. So on the left side of the steering wheel you have this cluster right here. This will allow you to navigate through your screen that's located right in the center there. Next to that you also have your volume options. On the right you have your hands-free calling and your voice recognition system, and underneath is your display button, which allows you to navigate through your multi-information display like so. And to show you, this RAV has 76,344 kilometers on it. Lastly, behind the wheel you do have your cruise control. Now why don't we hop onto our screen here. Right now we're on audio sources. You have your standard AM and FM. Of course, you also have a choice between USB, auxiliary, and Bluetooth. Let's show that backup camera. Nice and clear. Moving down to our climate control system. And nice and simple, you got these nice, smooth, sturdy dials. Below it, USB auxiliary. You have your sport mode, driver and passenger heated seats, USB, auxiliary, and your 12-volt outlet. Underneath you have some storage space, cup holder there, and also behind the shifter. Center console, nice and simple, lots of room. If we move to the passenger side up top, you do have this nice little shelf, and underneath it is your glove box. Nice and simple, lots of room in here as well. So we'll just close that right up. So before we head to the cargo, let's take a quick look in the back first. On the bottom you have some storage, just like the driver's side, for perhaps a bottle. More all-weather mats. Behind the two front seats you have these nice little pockets. And of course, continuing with that black cloth seating. Open up, we got our little button right under the Toyota emblem. Just press that and that'll come up nice and easy. We got this little cover going. Just pull that towards you, down, and that'll retract back. Lots of cargo space in this RAV. We also got this nice little mat to protect against any harsh objects you might be carrying. Of course, we have the folding seats that do go down in case you need that extra bit of room. And underneath here, if we pull this up, that'll give you access to your spare tire in case that ever goes. So to close up, we got a little handle right here. Just give that a gentle push. Taking a last look at our 2015 Toyota RAV4 LE. Once again, some of your great interior features include your heated seats, backup camera, and Bluetooth compatibility. But there's a whole lot more I didn't get a chance to show you, so why don't you come on down and take it for a test drive. We're located here at Toyota Northwest Edmonton on the corner of 137th Ave and St.Albert Trail. Thank you for watching this walk around video. My name is Christian, and as always, drive safe.